Hey, welcome back to Your House Fitness. Today we're going to talk about a stretch I really like doing. It's called the cross body stretch or cross arm stretch. Even though it's called an arm stretch, it's actually for your shoulders. We're going to pay attention to a few details. To do that, I'm actually going to turn around. You guys are going to be looking at my shoulder blade. Usually when we're tight or stiff in the shoulders, we're up here. We look like Ninja Turtles. We got this round back position, right? We want to get out of this first and foremost. I got to relax my neck and make sure I bring my shoulder blades, not up, but down. Once my shoulder's down, see my head still forward, I go, bring my head back, chin in. Imagine like a deck, like a little card here, squeezing down on that card, okay? Now we're back here. Now I have a good shoulder blade position. The next thing I need to have in a shoulder blade is I need to get my shoulder blades from pinched to protracted, okay? We're retracted usually and elevated, so we're going from elevation, retraction to depression and protraction. Now you're just gonna pick a hand. I'm gonna turn back around to you guys. I'm gonna do my left arm first. I wanna maintain this shoulder blade position, okay? I don't wanna lift it back up. I don't wanna go back into that tight neck position. I wanna keep it down as I slowly bring my arm across my body. Very good. Once I'm here, I should feel a nice stretch behind my back, between my scapula, right around here. And we're mostly stretching out the upper fibers of the trapezius muscle. So you get a little bit of rhomboid, a little bit of mid-trapezius, but mostly that upper trapezius motion. Whenever you're ready, we're gonna switch to the other arm. So I gotta get that depression, protraction, and I slowly bring my arm across. It's a very simple exercise, but if I bring my shoulders back up and just do it like this, I honestly don't really feel much of a stretch. If anything, I feel my neck get tighter. So take your time, go very slow when you bring it across to prevent that rise in the shoulder, okay? Nice and slow. Reach across, get a good stretch. Feel the stretch in the right muscle as well. Thank you so much for joining us for the cross body stretch. We'll see you next time.